Good afternoon, all my friends out there. Hey, thank you for viewing. And hey, today we have something very important. This can be a life-saving story here, okay? Or video, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't look good. You already know where this story's going. Why did it happen? Well, let me give you some brief history on this. And hey, it's not at my house. All right, the house this came out of is about 12 years old, okay? Now look here. You can't even plug anything into it. It's melted, okay? And for you electricians out there, maybe you can chime in and let's make some comments, okay? This was found. The only thing that the person or the family have been using this for is plugging in a rechargeable battery for an electric lawnmower. You already know what my thoughts are on those, so we're not even going there. But if you got a small yard, I fully understand. You don't need a riding lawnmower, what we do out here where we have, 2 or 3 acres or whatever. So let's get back to this. The person went to plug something in, nothing worked. Surprise, 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 right? Or got up there and saw this. The breaker did not trip. Here again, electricians, please chime in and share with the rest of this group. Folks, this is supposedly the outlet that was installed in the house, which is 12 years old. Can you trust the inspector who inspects after the electric work has been done? Hey, you decide, all right? Or let's just go a step forward. Many of you, we've got to replace these things. They wear out over time. It's very common, all right? Let's just say you need some electric work done. I would not recommend hiring a handyman unless you know them and you know their history. A lot of these handymen, and that's not all of them, it's probably about 80% of them, they are jack-offs of jack-offs, everything and know nothing in some cases. So here again, hey, I take my hat off to the handymen who are doing great service out there. Don't confuse the two. Why did this not trip the breaker? This house could have burned. It could have happened in the middle of the night. They could have lost their lives. And guess what? It happens. It happens more often than you think. Or maybe you want to do it yourself and you've never done it before. You better get some information down this thing up here before you do it. Hey, just buyer beware. Share this. Hey, share this with your family member or someone who you know that's having some electric issues. Maybe the lights are flickering and blinking. Go back to this, or the switch. Now I'm going to share something else with you here. This is at my house here, okay? Didn't realize it. The air fryer. Lots of us have them, and we like them. They're quick and convenient. But I don't know if you can see this or not, but right back here, do you see that brown spot? I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up or not. Right about there. It was about this big. Here again, didn't realize it, maybe we didn't read the directions. I'm going to show you something on this air fryer. The vent's right here, okay? We would normally air stuff up this thing about 6 inches away. Well, you would think 6 inches away would be okay, but these things generate a heck of a lot of heat. Please share this. This looks really good compared to what it was. The whole thing was burned brown from the heat. We don't really use it all that much. Here's a helpful hint. Use some common sense. Are they safe? I think so. Keep them away from the wall. Hey, that's your special hint today. This can save your life. And again, do not hire a jackleg to do your electric work. Please. This is Scott. If you've liked what you've seen so far, hey, share it, like it, or subscribe to it. I got a lot more things going on. Some stuff that's going to be very interesting. Look at one of my last views. It's had around 135,000 views in 2 weeks. It's just common sense stuff, folks. Say no to these kind of people who come wire up your house. Thank you.